Hello and welcome to AnjalisBakeAffair. Today we are going to make something that is quick and simple to cook, and yet it is packed full of flavor and wholesome. It is a tortilla wrap that we shall stuff with paneer filling. You can also use chicken in place of paneer, and you can use homemade rotis or parathas in place of these store-bought tortilla wraps. So let's begin. First, we need to marinate the paneer or the chicken, for which you will need yogurt, salt, turmeric, roasted gramflour or besan, ginger garlic paste, garam masala, and lemon juice. The other things that you need to put your wrap together are these, and they are optional, although I do recommend using at least some of them. To marinate the paneer, just mix all the marinating ingredients well and then toss and coat your paneer in it. Cover and keep it in the fridge for a minimum of 30 minutes. Now heat the oil in a pan and stir fry the onions, capsicums and mushrooms for 3 minutes or so. I like to use mustard oil because I think it adds a deep flavor. Now add in the marinated paneer, cover and cook it for some time, and that is your filling ready. Now it's time to wrap it up. Apply a layer of mayonnaise or cheese sauce, then a layer of ketchup or a green chutney, the paneer filling, and some fresh vegetables or salad like fresh onions, capsicum, tomatoes, cucumber, whatever you like. And finally roll it up and enjoy. If you too love quick and easy wholesome food that is tasty too, go ahead and subscribe right now.